Okay, wearing the Michigan shirt because we clapped Arizona last night, but wanted to show just another example of like using things to upgrade your AI tool. So I was reading on Twitter that this thing called AutoAgent is apparently some open source thing that has agents that will, make themselves, improve stuff, whatever. Sounds pretty cool. Okay, so right now I'm on GitHub. This is where whatever the code for this lives. So all you do is you download the zip file. I already downloaded it. But then I have all of any of the AI things I do. I call it my AI workspace. It's just a folder that lives in my iCloud Drive. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the AutoAgent zip file and just drop it in there. Okay, now a couple things I want you to see. So again, this is VS Code. This orange dot, it's the Claude extension. Here is where you're showing your files. So if I go File, Open Folder, I'm going to then press my AI workspace, which is what this is. And then this is now every file that's in my AI workspace, including that zip file of the auto agents that I just put in. So look, said to my Claude, can you download this? Tell me what it does. It's reading through it. It's saying what it is. Fetching the repo. Just took it a little bit to figure it out. This is a summary. It's an open source framework for building and deploying LLM-powered agents. You describe what you want in English. AutoAgent builds or has a multi-agent workflow for you. This is what you got to do. Okay, instructions on how to download it. Finally got it downloaded. See AutoAgent here. And if you look here, this is a handoff prompt, and I'm doing this because right now this chat has been kind of taking up a lot. Any AI model, Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, whatever, just the way AI works, you only get a certain amount of tokens per chat, and if you get past 50% of whatever's allotted in that conversation, the quality of the model is going to decrease because it has to hit that limit. So the best thing to do is to save your memory, have a handoff prompt. This is me saying basically like, I don't even know what I want to build yet. Let's come up with something, and then paste it in here. Okay, it's telling me to do this off camera, but I'm not going to do that. So this is a prompt to figure out what are the coolest repositories on GitHub right now and write me a report on that. So let's choose user mode. It said your request, system triage agent will help you. Something I want to clarify as this is going. So see how this says system triage agent? These errors are just semantics, doesn't really matter, but look how it routes then to web surfer agent and then coding agent. So this is basically like saying in real time that all of these agents are working in unison to do my overarching task. Okay, so if you're looking at it right now, you can see that it worked in a couple minutes. Task complete. Here's summary of done. Scraped GitHub trending, created a Python script of it, executed it, and created this doc. So I'm actually, just to show you a point, I'm going to go into a new Claude chat and ask, look into the trending reports AI CSV that AutoAgent created on my terminal. Where is it? So now it found it, and I opened each of the repos, so I can now, if I wanted to, Google this and Google AI Edge Gallery. This is a gallery that showcases on-device use cases. I could download this if I want. I could Google whatever this one is. Again, though, this was, just a task. Let's say I wanted to learn something new. Found all of these repos online through this AutoAgent task. I'm sure there are way more complex use cases that you can do in your work position, but it really just kind of hammers home the point that if you're creative and know where to look for these tools, you can do something.